Right, we're off looking for a waterfall in the North Pennines, so come along with me for the journey. You can hear me above the roar of the water. Well, good afternoon, and you find me on my way to my monthly messianic meeting in Gateshead, and I've set off early and we're going on our way to Alston, and then there's a waterfall not far from Alston. I think it's Ashgill Force, so we're heading there. So it might be a short video because there'll only be the one. I think there's two sets of high falls and low falls, so we're going there. We're hopefully going to get some nice images, and it'll make a change being in the Pennines rather than in the Lake District. So yeah, hopefully it'll be a good afternoon. The weather's not brilliant, but hopefully there's enough light to do the waterfall. Sorry if it's twisting about a bit because this is a twisty road, and the gimbal on the camera tends to move round as the car goes round the corners, or the van goes round the corners. So yeah, so anyway, we'll get on, I'll stop rambling, and we'll see you a little bit later. Right, as you can see, I've managed to get round to the main waterfall, which is what did I say it was? Ashgill Force. You can see the bridge up there. That's where the road is. That so the van is probably just up there. But the path, I had to go right along there and round, and then down there and work up this ravine. So what I'm going to do, I'm just not quite the plan is to have a mooch around, come up with some compositions, not quite sure where we're going to go at the moment, and then get some images, and then slowly work downstream, because there are quite a few little waterfalls, cascades that are probably worth capturing as well. So yeah, we'll have a mooch around, we'll find some good compositions, and then we'll either put them up or we may vlog those as well. So whatever happens, we'll see you a little bit later. Right, well, you'll have seen some images that I'd already captured. The main waterfall, it was quite good because you could actually get behind it, which made for an interesting composition. And I think what I've learned is I need to come back here sometime when the light's a bit better and I've got an awful lot more time. There's some stunning waterfalls here. This is the last composition I've taken. The light is getting quite low. I mean, I was having to put the ISO up to 3000 just to be able to open the aperture a bit to get a shutter speed of half a second. Normally you're needing filters and whatever to get that stop the light getting, so it is getting quite dark. The other thing, although it isn't a real problem, the light's flashing on the camera to say the battery's about to expire, although I do have some fresh ones in the bag, but I'll wait now till I get home. It's just too dark to take any more pictures. I might just have a bit of a wander down, see what else there is while there's enough light for walking, and then we'll go back to the van. So yeah, I'll put this image up and we'll see you a bit later. Right, well, the light's really getting dim now, so I'm going to head back to the van. No, it's been a good afternoon. I've been pleased that I came here. The only error I made was not getting away a bit earlier and getting here sooner. I'm not very good with time. I thought, yeah, if I get here an hour or so before sunset, which is what I did, probably an hour and a half, that would be plenty of time, but wasn't as straightforward as I thought it would be, and there's a lot more to be had. I think I'm coming the wrong way here. Let's just go back around. And yeah, I mean, of this wander since I took that last image, yeah, there are a number of other cascades, falls, whatever you want to call them. So yeah, it's well worth coming back. I mean, I need to make a list of these. So coming back here to Ash Gill, which is the name of the stream, river, and Ashgill Force is very impressive, and the fact you can get behind it is quite interesting. And the other one, I don't think I said on the time, was when I went up to Ulsgarth, the walk up Wythe Burn. There was lots of cascades, waterfalls, etc. up there, and that might be another one to do on a nice day and just wander up there. I did capture images on one of the cascades, but there was many others, but I was aware because of time and the length of the walk I was doing, there wasn't sufficient time to stop. But yeah, this is another one. So, and I think this and Wythe Burn are going to be reasonable in terms of not too many people about, so I'll be able to get the images I want. So yeah, right, well, 4 weeks today when I'm recording this, and this has been recorded on Saturday the 27th of January. So in 4 weeks time I'll be on a flight or going to the airport and on a flight to Iceland for a week, so that should be good. And hopefully it's only a small group, so hopefully I'll be able to get some decent vlogging and get some decent pictures and that. So anyway, I'll call it a day because you probably can't see me, it's just a shadow on the thing. So anyway, yeah, we'll see you on the next video.